Started my first workout this morning, but failed to do it till the end. This is a good one. So, if you just started a workout today or are considering starting a workout and you're like, oh, I had all this stuff planned for myself, but I wasn't able to do it, am I a failure? No, absolutely not. And a lot of people will overshoot what they can do on their first workout in the gym. So that's something I want to remind all you people when you're first starting out, is that you should go in with an expectation of, I'm going to do my best and have a good workout for yourself to do. But in all essence and reality, realize that if you go in and simply just do the workout, that's half the battle. Or even just do half the workout, for example, that's half the battle. So let's say we'll kind of give an actual example of this. Somebody's going in and they were like, okay, my first workout, I wanted to do a 30-minute jog and a 30-minute weight session. But I did the 30-minute jog and I didn't even have enough energy to look at the weights. Is that a failure? No, absolutely not. Because before that 30 minutes that you just jogged, you were doing absolutely nothing. You were sedentary. So even just that little bit of work with your running is excellent for your health. And this is also a process too. You're not going to simply just do that one workout and quit. No, there's tomorrow, there's the next day, there's next week. You're going to build and evolve over time on this. And this is when we talk about having small changes in our lifestyle, where you need to consider this. Is that's one small change, was that 30-minute jogging workout you did. And next week, you might have enough energy to do the 30-minute jog and maybe even 10 minutes of the weight routine, okay? This is something that progresses over a long period of time. And if you're looking at it from the mindset of this one workout ruined me, or this one workout really, really matters in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't. And that's going to shoot you in the foot. For myself personally, if I, for example, skip a workout, or I have a workout in mind and I go in and my body's feeling a little achy, or I don't have as much energy, the last thing I do is get down on myself and think that I failed just because I didn't hit my exact prescribed workout that I had for myself in my head. It's all arbitrary anyway. We're making this stuff up as we go. So now I literally pivot and just do exactly what my body tells me. So if I'm feeling achy, I'm just not going to do as much. If I'm feeling really good, I'm going to do a little more. I wouldn't go in on a day that I was supposed to do a easy workout and I felt really good, and then do way more than the easy workout and say I failed. Kind of, you can use the reverse logic and paradox on that. Hopefully that gives whoever's watching a little bit of a mindset switch.